Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to use the Arabic verb لا يشتري to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Nahayun prohibition. Nahayun prohibition. We are going to learn from this lesson how to instruct others in Arabic not to do something using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb لا يشتري to suit the pronouns below? The verb لا يشتري simply means he should not buy. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb لا يشتري to suit the following pronouns? Wahid number one, ana, I. So how do we change the verb لا يشتري to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach hamza. The verb لا يشتري will now become لا أشتري, which means I should not buy. Ithnan number two, nahnu, we. So how do we change the verb لا يشتري to suit nahnu? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach nunun. So the verb لا يشتري will now become لا نشتري, which means we should not buy. Thalatha number three, anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we now change the verb لا يشتري to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb لا يشتري will now become لا تشتري, which means don't buy. Arba number four, anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we now change the verb لا يشتري to suit anti? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. Not only that, then you attach yaun to the last letter. Remember, once yaun is attached, the letter before it must take kasra. So the verb لا يشتري will now become لا تشتري. لا تشتري, which means don't buy. You can only use this to talk to a single female person. Khamsa number five, here, she. So how do we change the verb لا يشتري to suit here? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb لا يشتري will now become لا تشتري, which means she should not buy. Remember, we use ta'un to talk about a single female person and yaun to talk about a single male person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufradun, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two. Remember, plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English, where it starts from two upward. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb لا تشتري can only be used to talk to a single male person. So if they are two, so you attach alifun, then you retain the lost yaun. So the verb لا تشتري will now become لا تشتري. لا تشتري. لا تشتري. That means don't buy, commanding two male persons. So if they are more than two, you attach waun. Remember, once waun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that waun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb لا تشتري will now become لا تشتروا. لا تشتروا, which means don't buy, commanding a group of male persons. Now we talk about mu'annas. Mu'annas being the word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb لا تشتري can only be used to command a single female person not to buy. So if they are two, you use the same form of the verb. لا تشتريا. لا تشتريا, don't buy. Commanding two female persons. So if they are more than two, so you must attach nunun to the last letter, carrying fatha. So the verb لا تشتري will now become لا تشترينا. لا تشترينا, which means don't buy. Commanding a group of female persons. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. Masha Allah. الاستعمال, now the usage. واحد, number one. لا يشتري زيد كتابا من هاشم. لا يشتري زيد كتابا من هاشم. لا يشتري زيد كتابا. Zaid should not buy a book. من هاشم, from هاشم. اثنان, number two. لا تشتري زينب بيضا من الدكان. لا تشتري زينب بيضا من الدكان. لا تشتري زينب بيضا. Zainab should not buy eggs. من الدكان, from the shop. من الدكان, from the shop. ثلاثة, number three. لا تشتري سيارة من أمريكا يا أخي. لا تشتري سيارة من أمريكا يا أخي. لا تشتري سيارة. Don't buy a car. من أمريكا, from America. يا أخي, my brother. أربعة, number four. لا تشتري بيتا في أبوجا يا أختي. لا تشتري بيتا. Don't buy a house. في أبوجا, in Abuja. يا أختي, my sister. خمسة, number five. لا تشتري كبشا. لا تشتري كبشا. Don't buy a ram. Don't buy a ram. Talking to Hashim and Khalid. You can also use لا تشتري while talking to Ruqayya and Khadija. ستة, number six. لا تشتروا أرضا في لاغوس يا إخوة. لا تشتروا أرضا في لاغوس يا إخوة. لا تشتروا أرضا. Don't buy a land. في لاغوس, in Lagos. يا إخوة, brothers. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبعة, number seven. لا تشترين مزرعة في القرية يا أخوات. لا تشترين مزرعة في القرية يا أخوات. لا تشترين مزرعة. Don't buy a farm. في القرية, in the village. في القرية, in the village. يا أخوات, sisters. Remember that fi is an agent of kasra. So it must give kasra to the last letter of any word in Arabic appearing after it, as we have it in fil qaryati. T, not ta and not tu, rather T. Fil qaryati, in the village. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. Masha Allah. Now we talk about the comparison between a fi'ilun madin, afwan, between amrun, commandment, and nahayun, prohibition. I repeat. Now we talk about the comparison between amrun, commandment, and nahayun, prohibition. Wahid, number one. Huwa, he. Liyashtari, he should buy. La yashtari, he should not buy. Ithnan, number two. Hiya, she. Litashtari, she should buy. La tashtari, she should not buy. Thalatha, number three. Ana, I. Liashtari, I should buy. La ashtari, I should not buy. Arba, number four. Nahanu, we. Linashtari, we should buy. La nashtari, we should not buy. Khamsa, number five. Anta, you, representing a single male person. Ishtari, buy. La tashtari, don't buy. Sita, number six. Anti, you, representing a single female person. Ishtari, ishtari, buy. La tashtari, la tashtari, don't buy. Sab'a, number seven. Antum, all of you, referring to a group of male persons. Ishtaru, you should all buy. La tashtaru, don't buy. Thamania, number eight. Antunna, all of you, referring to a group of female persons. Ishtarina, ishtarina, you should all buy. Talking to a group of female persons. La tashtarina, don't buy. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson, watching a single video clip and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.